Hi Ma, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. 60 years is quite a long time and it's a big milestone which you have achieved. So, congratulations on that. And happy birthday to you. May God bless you abundantly. May all your dreams and wishes come true. I know you wanted to have a big party today with your friends and your family. And I really wish I was there with you today. Not only me, but Tia and Rajiv as well. But hopefully, let's pray and hope that next year we all can get together and celebrate. I just wanted to say what an amazing mom you have been to us, to Diana and me. We are really lucky to have you. Being a mother today myself, I understand the sacrifices that come, especially when you have a sickly child. And me being so sickly, I know how much I used to worry you, not making you go to work and all of that. So thank you for all that support and that help and taking care of us. You have been an amazing mom, of course. I mean, the support that you have given Diana and me, especially to make the decisions in our life. I mean, even when we do the wrong things, you still stand by us and you always tell us that you are there with us. So thank you for that. Today, what Diana and me are is only because of you, because of your support, your guidance. You have always taught us to be, fearless, least bothered about what people have to say or think about us. You educated us and brought us up so well. So thank you for all of that, Ma. I really wish I was there with you today. I'm really missing you a lot. I really wanted to spend the 60th birthday with you. I've just made a short video with all your friends, your close friends, just a handful of them who I've selected, and also your close family. I really hope you like this video. Your elder daughter is not there in this video because you know how she is. So if she gives it in the last minute, then I will add it. Otherwise, I think she'll be the only one missing in this video. So just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. This is just a small thing which I thought I would do for you because you wanted to have a big party. So I hope at least you like this video and you enjoy it. I hope you have a fun-filled day. I hope Diana has done the decorations and the cake arrangements well. And I'm really gonna miss your biryani. I really wish I was there to eat your biryani today. Anyway, Ma, you take care. God bless you. Happy 60th birthday once again. And next year, hopefully, we will be there to party together. And we'll celebrate for sure. Take care, Ma. Bye. Love you so much. Missing you so much. Happy birthday once again. Enjoy the video. Bye-bye.
Hi Ma, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. We really wanted to be there to celebrate this special day with you and party really hard, but unfortunately because of COVID we could not. I'm sure we'll make up for it the next year. But I just want to say that celebrating your birthday is a great choice for us. You are someone that always sees the good in things, and you have a positive outlook towards life and everything in general, and that's something that I think we can all learn from you and continue to learn from you. And I sincerely hope your granddaughter Tia picks up your good habits and your enthusiasm for reading and learning and things. Thank you for always treating me with love and respect. You have treated me like a son and not like a son-in-law, so I sincerely want to thank you for that. I just want to say that I hope you have a great, happy, blessed, healthy and safe year ahead. So here's wishing you a very happy 60th birthday with lots of love from me, my mom and the family. Take care.
Grandma, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Grandma. Yes. Say again. Happy birthday. Say, Grandma. Happy birthday. Birthday, say. Birthday.
एमनेट आज 60वां जन्मदिन मुबारक हो। मेरे साथ 37 साल गुजार के मेरे साथ रह के आपने कभी मुझे सिखाती तो कभी समझाती हो, कभी मुझे बचाती हो और कभी जब मैं जिंदगी और मौत के बीच में लड़ता रहता हूँ वो समय आपने मुझे सारा सहारा बन जाती हो। आपने मुझे इस अनालायक को लायक बनाया और मुझे खुद पर नाज होता है। फिर आपको मुबारक हो। बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिन गाए, तू जियो हजारों साये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू Antoinette, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, Antoinette, happy birthday to you.
Hi Antu, happy 60th birthday to an amazing and a beautiful sister, and I'm glad that I grew up with you, and it's been a long journey. I'm proud to have a loving, caring, warm-hearted and most beautiful sister in the world, of which no one can ever replace you in my heart. And God's blessings be with you always. God surround you with tender, loving care, and God bless you with good health, prosperity, happiness, and just everything that your heart desires. And God bless you. Stay blessed.
Hi, Sister Anne. Good morning. This is your younger brother, Eugene. And shortcut to say is, wish you happy birthday, 60th year. Wow, 60 years, oh my God. Yeah, next to you I'm coming there, going to reach there. One thing I would like to say is, you were a beautifulest sister, a beautiful woman on earth who was very brave right from childhood. And one thing I would like to say is, when we were learning cycling, and after you learned cycling, then Daddy bought a Luna moped. We went out, you were learning Luna, dashed against the bulls which were on the road, the buffaloes. You jumped off, and I on the road, over me the Luna, and over me the buffalo, shitting cow dung on my face. And all, you remember that day? Yes, I remember when it was Christmas. Then we had to come home and had a bath, and I started crying that you spoiled my Christmas day and all. That was a great day. Then after that, when we were flying kites, you came and made trouble, a fight against me by flying kites and all. How you used to worry us a lot. But right from those days, then again, when you got a job, you starting helping us. Then I used to come to you for money. You helped us with money and all. Then we came into Alphonse, Alphonse also was a very good, joyful person, who used to worry us, come on, chal, Katmal, mujhe pilao, tumhar ko khilao, and all. We used to go on in those days in Alpha Hotel when we were on duty. When I used to meet him on duty, he used to meet me on duty. Well, we had a great sister, a proud sister. And if it was not of you today, I would not have got my own house, frankly speaking to you. Thank you for all your help, which you have helped us through finance, with shelter, with food, for my younger brothers, younger sister, being a good sister to us, being a good mother to your children, being a good wife towards your husband. Yes, it was all God's blessings. With your blessings, we started learning from you how to say our family rosary, which we still continue and do not stop of our rosaries. You were in praise with us, you prayed for us, you gave us everything. Yes, today I can say my sister is the best lady or best woman today. I thank you and I pray for you. May you have happy long life, you and Alphonse, and just a little bit, no doubt my children have gone astray. They're not gone astray. They have to realize they'll come back. They are not anyway further. See that we, at least one of my sons, go abroad. That's my only wish. And moreover, I wish you all the best, a happy birthday and happy long life. I thank you, my elder sister. Without you, I repeated, I would not have had my own house today. I thank you, I pray you, happy birthday, wish you all the best, and God bless. Yes. Done.
Surprise, surprise!
Oh, and to Mama, on your 60th birthday, we wish you a very, very happy birthday and showers of blessing with you always, with lots of love and care.
Happy birthday, Auntie Mama. Have a nice day. God bless you, Auntie Mama.
Hi, and to many more happy returns of the day on your 60th birthday. We all wish you a happy birthday. God bless you. We all love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie. Hope you've had a great life and continue having one ahead. Thank you for always being there for Mama and me and guiding me in almost every situation possible. Once again, happy birthday, Auntie, and have a nice day.
Hi Antoinette, wish you a very, very happy 60th birthday. Hope you have an awesome day and a great year ahead. Today, when I look back at our friendship spanning now more than 2 decades, I can only thank God for our friendship and blessing me with a friend like you. You are an amazing person. Your strength, your personality, your go-getter attitude, your positive outlook, your success, your growth, and the way you conducted yourself and handled things in tough times have always impressed me. I cherish the time I spent with you and enjoyed your friendship. I can't thank you enough for the way you stood by me, strengthened me, advised and encouraged me, and were always there for me whenever I needed you. Thank you so much for all the precious memories I treasure because of you. Eating makka every afternoon during rainy days, walking down to the stationery shop even in the hot afternoon sun, even for small things, and solving the crossword puzzles, finishing our work as fast as we can, are a few things I can remember and miss those days a lot. I thank God for your life and wish you lots of love, happiness, success, health, wealth, joy and peace in the coming year. I wanted to celebrate this special day with you, or at least meet up the next day like the previous years. But the coronavirus was a very big threat, and now added to that, my injury has blown up any chance left. Miss being with you this day. Once again, God bless you abundantly, wishing you many, many happy returns of the day. Everybody at home, that is Akka and family, Srikant and family, and Prashant and family, are conveying their love, wishes and prayers to you. Signing off with lots and lots of love. Vandana.
Happy birthday, and God bless you. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, special one. You turned 60 today. God bless, all the best, good health, lots of fun today and always. I cannot forget the fun times you had as kids growing up. My darling cousin, love you and all the very best. No glass to say cheers. Cheers.
Hi Anto, a very happy birthday to you.
May God bless you with good health, happiness, peace of mind and cheers. I wish your still pending dreams may come true. The world tour, all the best, Europe tour, come on. Have a wonderful year. Bye-bye.
Hi Antoinette. What a wonderful occasion to be celebrating 60 wonderful years. Wow. Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. God bless you with many more happier, healthier, merrier birthdays to come. Have a wonderful day. Ask Diana or Tina to give you a big hug from me. Enjoy your birthday. I'll give you a call sometimes. Bye.
Hi Anto. Happy 60th birthday. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Wishing you good health, wealth, happiness always. Loads of love to you and to your family too. Take care. Bye.
Hi Anto. Happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. I miss all those days what we spent in GD, especially your dal and the curries you used to make. Hope today you are free and your daughters are cooking for you. Lovely daughters. Once again, happy birthday to you.